All right, let's do a word problem here using vertex form. So this is Deshaun and Chris are playing soccer. Chris takes a shot on goal. Deshaun is 3 feet in front of the goal and can reach the top of the 8-foot goal when standing directly beneath it. Can he block the shot from his current position without moving or jumping? Okay, so here's the situation, right? Okay. So we have Chris shooting it from right here at the point 2, 1.5, or 1.2. It reaches a maximum height, a vertex, at 16.11, or 16,11. This dude right here, right, Deshaun, the goal is at 25. It says he is 3 feet in front of the goal. So if the goal is at 25, he is 3 feet this way. He is at an x value of 22. He can reach the top of the 8-foot goal. So his high reach is this 8 feet. So he is at the point 22, 8. And the question is, can he block this shot? When that ball starts coming down, is it going to come down below him or past him? Right? What will the height of the ball be when it is at 22? So if the ball's here, right, there's the ball. When it is at 22, what is its height going to be? Is it going to be less than 8 or greater than 8? Less than 8, he'll stop it. Greater than 8, he won't stop it. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to build the function. I'm going to do it in blue. Here's your general function, right? F of x equals a x minus h squared plus k. Now remember, f of x is just a fancy word for y, right? They give us the vertex. This is your h and k. They give us another point. This is our x and our y. We're going to plug these 4 numbers in. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters. We're going to plug these 4 numbers in for those 4 letters, leaving a alone to solve for. Once we find our a value, we can write our general function. All right, so here we go. So y is 1.2, so 1.2 equals a, parentheses, x is 2 minus h is 16 squared plus and k is 11. So 1.2 kind of stands alone. We're going to do this in the calculator. What's 2 minus 16? That's negative 14. What's negative 14 squared? That's 196, and put the a after it. Right? That's common way you write, the variable comes last. And then the plus 11 just hangs out. Now it's a 2-step equation to solve for a. Let's get rid of this 11 by subtracting it on both sides. That becomes negative 9.8 equals 196a. Let's divide by 196 on both sides to get a all by itself. And we get an a value of negative 0.05. That's our a. So now that we have this a value, now we can write our function. Okay, our function is, I'm going to put down here, f of x equals negative 0.05 times x minus h, which was 16 squared plus 11. This is our formula. This is our function. We just built that. We just used this situation, this model, to create a quadratic function. It's a very, very, very important skill in mathematics, to take words and make mathematical models. So now I'm going to write that right up here. F of x equals negative 0.05 x minus 16 squared plus 11. And now I'm going to erase all this over here. And now what I want to do is I want to take the ball's x value. The ball's x value is 22. I want to plug in, or I said where the goalie is, right? The goalie will meet the ball at 22. And the question is 22's y value in this formula going to be less than or greater than 8? Because again, the ball is traveling on the path modeled by this purple function, by this blue function. Okay? So I'm going to do this. So I'm going to take the purple function, f, and I'm going to plug in 22. F of 22 equals. So I'm going to use negative 0.05 times 22 minus 16 squared plus 11. And again, all of this is numbers. Just type it in Desmos right now. When you type that in Desmos, you get something like 9.2, which is greater than 8. So again, this goalie is reaching at this point, 22, 8. The ball is going to be at 22, 9.2. It's going to be above him so that when he reaches, it's going to go over his head and go. Chris just schooled Deshaun at soccer. So no, he can't block it. No. He can't block it. So this is a very important skill, like I said. So hopefully this made sense to you a little bit, and you can try to attempt it on your own in class when we do the practice. All right, thanks for watching. I know it's 3 videos. I know, I'm so sorry. Okay? All right, we'll see you in class.